My name is Pravin. I'm a made Ph.D. at the DTU. I'm working with Novo Nordisk to design a take-back program configuration tool which can help companies design take-back programs for their used products. Often companies face challenges in designing and implementing take-back systems because of lack of knowledge or experience. So my tool helps companies to look at all the different aspects of what should be considered when designing a robust take-back program. If you have to design a take-back program, you will need to look at what is the context in which you are initiating your take-back. For instance, what is the product in terms of the product dimension, the product composition, but also what are the infrastructure in the existing geography. Does the municipality support existing collection mechanisms? Are there retail stores which can take back the used products? And also the consumer behavior. Is the consumer aware about the right disposal mechanisms? And also the legislation. Is there an extended producer responsibility, an EPR regulation which forces or mandates companies to initiate take-back? So my tool helps look at all of these different aspects before going into the actual take-back system design. Novo Nordisk is, as a part of its Circular for Zero strategy, it's implementing take-back program in many countries. So I hope the tool will help all the different countries replicate a take-back program and implement this in a much faster way. And I hope that the tool can be of use for companies across the world. So I'm in my third year, which is my final year of the PhD, and I have already developed a standalone prototype of the tool, which I have been testing and doing workshops with different companies. Right now I am developing a web-based version of the configuration system. My biggest challenge so far was how do you develop a configuration system from all the different aspects or parameters of decision making that goes into a take-back program design. What has been your challenge, the biggest challenge that you have faced in your PhD project, and how did you overcome that?